आज हम लॉन्ग ऐसे राइटिंग करने वाले हैं डॉग के ऊपर। हम ऐसे लिखेंगे डॉग के ऊपर। जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले वीडियो में बताया था, मैं एक एक करके हर टॉपिक के ऊपर आपको ऐसे बताऊंगी, चाहे वो छोटा टॉपिक हो, बड़ा टॉपिक हो, कुछ भी हो। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। डॉग इज़ अ टेम्ड एनिमल. Dogs are of different size and colors. Some dogs are very short, some are lean and thin. Some are very strong. Generally, a dog is 2 feet high and 2 or 3 feet long. Generally, dogs are brown, black, white, red. Some are spotted, so dogs differ in size and colors. Generally, dogs eat everything. They are very fond of eating meat and breads. They also drink tea and milk. A dog is very faithful to its master. It recognizes its master. Seeing its master, it begins to wave its tail. Seeing a stranger, it begins barking.